Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to turn on the autosave option inside VS Code. So autosave will save you a lot of time because as you write the code on the right hand side, I am executing the application in HTML. This is my simple document. So let me just make the changes. So as you can see, as I'm writing the code here, automatically it is executing it. So there is a feature that you can enable. Go to the menu, file, and there is this autosave option. Go to the file menu and this is your autosave option. Just enable this option, autosave. Just go to the file menu right here and this is your autosave option. Just enable this. So if you don't enable this option, if you disable this, what will happen? As you write the code here, it will not be executed instantly. For to execute, you just again every time you want to save this code, Control S, and then your code will execute. For some reason, if you want to disable it, you can disable it, but by default I use this feature a lot because not every time I just want to Control S. You can enable this autosave and now it will automatically execute. You can see that, so it will save you a lot of time. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.